Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I am going to show you how to crop a video in Premiere Pro. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. All right, guys, so I have already imported the video, which we are going to use in this tutorial. Now let's add the video to the timeline. After this, click on these two small arrows and select Effects. Now search for Crop and drag this crop effect onto the video. Now go up right here where it says Effects Control and start playing with the settings. If I do 10% crop from each side, then the video will going to look like this. But as I said, you can play the with it, can go higher and lower as well. That's how you can crop in Premiere Pro. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Also, if you want to know how to add motion blur in Photoshop, then watch this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why